Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Shalani Bigaywan. I'm 33 years old. I have 3 kids, 1 living partner, and
How old your kids?
11, madam. 3 and 8 months, madam.
Okay, so what is your religion?
Pentecostal Free Will, madam.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
3 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay, so what is your position in the family?
3, madam.
So you're the third.
Yes, madam.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate, madam.
Okay. How many employer did you work before as a helper?
3, madam.
So
One
what?
here in Philippines, Lebanon, and Dubai, madam.
So here in the Philippines, how many members of the family did you serve?
4, madam.
Who are the 4 members?
1 couple and 2 kids, madam.
How old the kids?
7 and
Here in the Philippines.
18 and 14, madam.
Okay. And after working here in the Philippines, you went to Lebanon.
Yes, madam.
How many members of the family did you serve?
4, madam.
Who are the 4 members?
1 couple and 2 kids, madam.
How old the kids?
7 years old and 19 years old.
Okay, so there are 4. And what is your duties as a helper here?
Clean the house, take care of pets and dogs, washing clothes, and helping the other.
So do you have any other helper here?
Yes, madam.
How many helpers in the house?
3, madam.
All Filipino helpers?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so why you did not finish your contract here in the Philippines?
It's because-
No, sorry, in the Lebanon.
It's because of the war, madam.
War between Lebanon and
the Saudi Arabia, madam, they are not understanding.
so it means the Philippine government before allows you to go home.
Yes, madam.
Okay, after working in Lebanon, you went to Dubai.
Yes, madam.
How long you work in Dubai?
8 months, madam.
8 months.
Yes, madam.
So why you did not finish your 2 years contract here in Dubai?
It's because my mother is gone, madam.
So your mother before passed away, so you went home.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so before in Dubai, how many members of the family did you serve?
2 couples, madam.
Who are they?
4 adults and 3 kids.
How many members all in all?
9, madam.
9. So
Yes,
they
madam.
are 2 couples. So the other couple, how many kids do they have?
5 kids all, madam.
The other couple, the other one.
The other 1 couple is 3 kids. The other 1 couple is 2 kids, madam.
Okay, so the first couple here, how old the kids?
18, 24, 31, madam. And the 1 couple is 7 and 19, madam.
Okay, so you mentioned me earlier that your employer in Dubai is also your employer. No, your employer in Lebanon is your also employer here in Dubai.
Yes, madam.
So just they went migrate here in Dubai before?
Yes, madam.
Okay, and why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
It's because for my future of my family and giving
So giving bright future for your kids.
yes, madam.
Okay, who will look for your children?
My mother-in-law, madam.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, madam.
Do you have any day off before in Middle East?
Sometimes for a month and twice a month, madam. It's because the situation of my take care of old women, madam.
So there's an old woman here in Dubai or in Lebanon?
And Dubai, madam.
Dubai. So you look for an elderly here.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So are you willing also to look for an elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, madam.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, madam.
And if you feel homesick, what will you do?
If you will hit the change diaper.
No, if you feel homesick, just like you feel you miss your family.
I make cleaning the house, madam. And
Just make yourself busy.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to you, madam and sir, I'll do my best and I'm willing to learn what you want to give work. Thank you, madam. I hope you will hire me.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2320.